Ah, plastic is slippery. All right, so back on the shed. As you can see, it is cold out, minus 22-ish. No wind today, that's a fantastic thing. And well, let's see where we got to. We have lights, and we have a little bit of insulation, and that's today's goal, is to get this insulation up. So I got 2 bags of rock wool style insulation, and I'm going to close the door, put the heater on, and start putting this insulation up. We don't have enough for the whole shed yet. That's fine and dandy. We got to get something done though, and a little bit will go a long way. And yes, it needs a new door frame and door. need to go get me a knife. Nice. Alright, we're making progress. I am going to go in and warm up my fingers. I have hot pockets in my gloves, but there's no heat retention happening, so yeah, we're going to go do that and then keep going. That's pretty good for one bag. Let's get the next bag out. always keep the little ones. Even these skinny guys. Look at that. I really like this stuff. It cuts really easily and it doesn't put a whole lot of particulate out in the air. And it's not itchy if you get it on your skin. No worries about getting it on my skin today. But it is not itchy even if it does. Some of you might be a little bit worried about me not cutting the insulation. Not cutting the insulation and fitting it around the wiring. It's a shed, guys. We're not going super awesome here. Everything we do will increase the heat retention in this place. We don't have to go absolutely perfect to make it a really good job. Oh yeah. Doing good. The other good news is it rips nicely. Okay. Up you go. Up you go. Ah! Plastic is slippery. Okay, I'm gonna go grab another razor blade. Well, we're doing pretty good. We have got the better part of the west wall, minus 2 slots. We've got half the front section done around the door. Notice my patented towel holding back some of the draft. Now, that doesn't matter, obviously, because we have lots to do. But all the lighting works. All my power outlets work. I've got my 20 amp right here, that's the yellow wire. And then I got 15 and 15, they're on one circuit breaker. 15 amp, 15 amp, and 15 amp on another circuit breaker. Up here is a wire running down into the wall, and that goes to an outside GFI receptacle. All of the lights, I did the calculation, I've got 10 LED 4-inch round pot lights. They are 4 of them are 9 watt and the other 6 are 8 watt. So I did the calculations and I have tons. I could put way more lights on one 15 amp breaker. So they're all on the one breaker on the one switch, which works beautifully. Tested everything. Now the insulation's coming into play, and I have something special to do to the section here on the roof because of the way it kind of bevels. But alright guys, as I was sitting or standing in the garage or the shed trying to take my final cut on the video, the battery was going dead. It didn't last very long. In the cold it doesn't. Most batteries don't. So it's recharged now, and I thought, why am I even trying to do this in here when I have a nice warm house? Alright, so to wrap things up, we've got insulation on a little over a third, not quite a half, but a little over a third of the shed. Not including the roof yet. So I probably need 5 more bags to do, or 1, 2, 3 more bags should, maybe 4, should take care of the walls. And then we need to do the roof, and I've got some funky sections in the roof because of the way it's sort of gabled, but not a big deal. So we've had some really good progress, and we are going to keep on trucking. I think I'm going to have some stable heat in that shed before the end of the month, before December's over. That'll be real cool by me. Get a new door on it, get the wall boarding up, which I haven't picked up yet. Anyway, that's how this video is going to end at, and thank you all very much for tuning in and checking out the update progress update on Natalies Workshop Shed. Thank you very much, everybody. Really appreciate every one of you. We'll see you on the next one.